Amid the delimitation debate, Congress Chief Mallikarjun Kharge has entered the discussion with a warning. He said that delimitation based on population would be unfair to southern states, reducing their representation in the Lok Sabha. This also echoes what the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister, M.K. Stalin, has said in the recent past. Now, Kharge also added that in northern states, representation is expected to increase by 30%. Now, Kharge, on this note, has urged the people of Karnataka to unite and fight against the injustice being meted out to them. The Home Minister Amit Shah has also previously assured southern states that they will not lose any parliamentary seats during delimitation. The next delimitation is scheduled for 2026, following the 84th Constitutional Amendment Act of 2002.
Absolutely right. The delimitation debate has been quite a big one as far as South India is concerned. We're seeing that Chief Minister of Southern State, Tamil Nadu, in fact M.K. Stalin, raised this issue only to receive support now from the Karnataka counterparts and other states as well. Even as you have this massive debate going on over here about how possibly, doing this delimitation based on the population would in fact prove detrimental to southern states who have actually put in efforts to control the population over the years. Now, in fact, you have, Mallikarjun Kharge there, the AICC chief, talking about this issue now, saying that, dividing a state, of course, over here, doing delimitation on the mere basis of population would not be right. He's given a call for unity there, saying that, as a population, one shouldn't be divided by caste lines or, in fact, by any other lines, that it's time to stand united, and which is why doing this delimitation on the basis of the population wouldn't really be right. Of course, as far as this is concerned, we also know that a meeting has been called on the 22nd now of March in Tamil Nadu, and that would likely, of course, be in attendance with southern chief ministers and, in fact, important ministers from the south. As far as Karnataka is concerned also, it has clarified its stand on this issue. While the chief minister himself wouldn't be able to go, he's likely to be sending his deputy, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, to Tamil Nadu. On the whole, of course, this is quite an important remark that's coming here from the AICC chief, making it quite clear what the stand of, southern states, particularly Karnataka, is on the delimitation issue.
Now shifting